AP Chemistry, Unit 7.12, Common Ion Effect. When solids are added to a solvent to dissolve, sometimes other substances are already present, and they may share a common ion with that new additional solid. So an example would be if I was to add some sodium chloride to a prepared solution of lead 2 chloride. Lead 2 chloride is not as soluble as sodium chloride, and because there is a common ion between the two ionic compounds of chloride, more products have effectively been added to the dissolution. And that means that we are going to shift our reaction back to forming solids, and producing reacted solids are going to be favored. Since lead 2 chloride is less soluble than sodium chloride, it will become even less soluble, and depending upon how much of the sodium chloride we added, we could precipitate out the lead 2 chloride just based off of the presence of how much chlorine we have in the solution now. To be able to determine whether a solution is unsaturated, saturated, or supersaturated, you can calculate the QSP. If the KSP is greater than that of the QSP, that means that we would be capable of dissolving more of the ionic solid. And so that means that overall the solution is currently unsaturated. If the KSP is equal to the QSP, that means that we have dissolved exactly as much of that ionic solid as we are capable of dissolving. So our solution is saturated. And finally, if our KSP is less than that of the QSP, that means that we have gotten more of the dissolved ions into the solution than ought to be available at that particular temperature, and thus the solution would be supersaturated, and we are going to precipitate out any extra of the ionic solid that should not be able to be dissolved at that particular temperature. The way that we make supersaturated solutions is we will typically go ahead and heat up the solvent to a temperature where we are able to dissolve that much into the solution, and then we very carefully, slowly cool it down. Sometimes we're purposefully trying to create a supersaturated solution, but other times we accidentally create a supersaturated solution by creating the solution at too high of a temperature, and when we reach the temperature that we're actually going to work at, we have added too much, and now we have extra of that dissolved ion, and so it precipitates out.